Okay, so in this video I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about interpreting the graph. What we're looking at here is essentially a lot of our per unit data. Price per unit, cost per unit, and we know that our formula for profit equals total revenue minus total cost. We know that our formula for total revenue equals the price of the product times the number of units that are produced. And we also know that average total cost equals total cost divided by quantity. So if we essentially multiply, I'm looking at this equation here. I want to manipulate this equation because I'm really honestly trying to find total cost. If we multiply both sides of this equation by Q, then these two cancel out, and what we're left with is total cost equals average total cost times quantity. Okay. So the profit formula, the total revenue formula, and this total cost formula are what we're going to use to derive information from this graph, our per unit graph, to get it into essentially total overall information. Okay, so let's follow our steps. Step 1, find Q star with the intersection of marginal revenue and marginal cost. Right here. Ooh, I'm going to try that again. And still that intersection. Closer. Q star. Okay. And then we do step 2, find price, where Q star hits my demand curve. That's my price. Now I actually have all of the information that I need for total revenue, right? Price of the product times quantity. If the origin is always 0, and I multiply this distance here, price times quantity, I get this big box, graphically that area of total revenue. Price times quantity gives us total revenue. Okay, we did step 1, find Q star. Step 2, find price. Step 3 is find out how much it cost you to produce each unit. So where does Q star hit our average total cost curve? Right here. A, T, C. From the origin, this is the price we're selling each unit for. This is how much it cost us to produce each unit. We can tell that this is a profit. But let's come back to these formulas here. So total cost equals average total cost times quantity. So this graphical amount, this vertical distance here, average total cost times Q, base times height, gives us this area, this red box there, of total cost in red. We said profit is total revenue minus total cost. So the big green box of total revenue coming in, money coming in, minus the big red box of all of your costs to produce Q star units, means that this is the area that you're left over with, which is our total profit. Okay, so profit per unit is the distance between price and cost per unit, right? So that difference there is profit per unit times the number of units, which is Q star, base times heights gives us this area in blue of profit. Okay, hope that helped. Good luck.